Embark on an unforgettable journey with ToNiagara, exploring breathtaking views and thrilling experiences at Niagara Falls through exclusive tours and adventures that promise memories to last a lifetime. Experience the legendary Voyage to the Falls boat tour, where the mist kisses your face and the powerful roar of Niagara Falls surrounds you in this iconic adventure. As night falls, light up your evening with our Falls Fireworks Cruise, where you'll witness the sky burst into colors right above the mighty falls. For a thrilling adventure, try our Niagara Falls Whirlpool jet boat tours. Choose a wet or dry ride and experience the exhilarating rapids of the Niagara River up close. Experience the thrill of our Journey Behind the Falls tours, with stunning views beneath the falls, and complete your adventure with visits to the Skylon Tower and Power Station. Elevate your experience with our Niagara Falls Canada helicopter tour, offering a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder and its surrounding landscapes. With ToNiagara, customize your journey with day, evening, or private tours. Starting from Toronto and beyond, enjoy luxury transport and exclusive itineraries tailored to your schedule. Your adventure begins with pickup from your location and a trip to the Canadian side for the Voyage to the Falls cruise. Enjoy lunch, free time at Clifton Hill, and scenic views along Niagara Parkway. Explore the Whirlpool Rapids, historic Queenston Heights, and tour a winery in Niagara on the lake. End your day with a meal at the Skylon Tower's revolving dining room, offering stunning panoramic views of the falls. As our journey ends, we'll take you back to your pickup location or the airport. Discover more and book at ToNiagara.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.